Fabros the best, Fabros the greatest, Fabros emu day. And no anema ntimi anko ye amfa my pando itimi kodi into a kamiensa ama yeti mu baako. Na bibu so kotoko players no just time bia. First half na say kotoko players no I say omo ball krada. I was so amazed. Say the kind of players kotoko you can this league able man, na the Premier League able man. Timo Emeka say omo players, quality players pa Asante Kotoko. I was out of Lions, it me say Asante Kotoko. By 3-1. I was wonder and surprised. I was wonder. These players, you know, you but omu ebobo yi. But Kotoko players you chomuka yi eya mono. Even though kran bosume kran so krana, bosume kran so ni chomuka. But still it's look as we say and no answer kotoko players you know first half na say ball krano omo bida and no na me raho ankaza ball no kan engofo no say third goal na me bija ball no we omo say third goal na me ja we because na me hu the reason why tell some me tran say me hwe ball no because ball na kotoko players ne ball no na abufu na abufu a whole team like Asante Kotoko, you did walk where you players you to play with two way, and so now as a Kotoko players and a more ball rather. It's as a Division 1, Division 2 players be and a album game. Like how? Kotoko. A whole team like Asante Kotoko. Heart of Lions, Heart of Lions, it me show 3-0, 3-1. Heart of Lions ball kruma ono ball tawe okun krum to no wasa kwato ahyew like how so Kotoko players need to be serious honestly they need to be serious because Heart of Lions a team bi ahye ni bi Heart of Lions a team si bi ahye ni bi no akotana Heart of Lions we akoshe wa yi 3-1 yenwa ne say na amene and one is saying how many? And now I was so I was very furious at all, very furious at all. Because first half, no. Look at that cheap boy I share goalkeeper. Such cheap boy I share goalkeeper. Na and no almost every second goal no cry. A quan as I go to say, Obia, as I train for mo. A Muslim freeze be a referee no be the kind referee by the foul and a referee na foul. Before I was said, would the kind a clear danger and send out be a worker. As a moon, be a lax in our born to a tenno. What's room say, these Ghanaian referees, you know, they are sometimes against us as Asante Kotoko, honestly. It's now, I meant to say, you chomuka ye. Minyosho say, in this single player be all Asante Kotoko na, Yetinika, and I say be a Yeroka. Utu for a enough from dear. Say, I must somebody to my makum. Esia kind, na Kotoko Akon. But we don't see that. No ball basa bia na mbono ai pando ball basa excuse me ball basa bia na mbono pando ball omunya ball na omaji omunya ball na inaje opponent na je ball from him omunya ball tese bi bia nkleke how Kotoko players and they need to sit up. No more Kotoko no bono. Otu for and I say Otu for invest more. I was on Kotoko all the time. We making sure say Makatuya everybody on time. But still, you know, sit up. Out of Lions, how is out of Lions? Team shot 3-1. Like how? How?